Hello, this is Robert. I'm a tax attorney. We're going to discuss the IRS lock-in letter and how to fix it. So, it's the IRS demanding that a certain amount of taxes be withheld from the employee. That's what the lock-in letter is. And it's usually due to people owing tax debts from not withholding the right amount of taxes. So, for example, someone that claims single and five, but it's really just themselves. Those are the type of people that are eventually going to get a lock-in letter. So the employer gets told by the IRS to withhold taxes as single and one dependent for the employee. The new withholdings are supposed to take effect 60 days from the date of the letter that the IRS sends. So there's actually two lock-in letters that are sent. One is the 2800C and one is the 2801C. The 2800C is going to the employer and the 2801C is going to the employee. So how does the employee fix this problem? They can appeal and they can get the correct amount withheld. I should also mention, if you actually are single and supposed to be claiming one dependent, there's a good chance you're not going to win the appeal. So if the lock-in is not appealed or the employee loses the appeal, the employer is no longer allowed to lower the tax withholdings for that employee without prior approval from the IRS. If you need help with your lock-in letter, tax debts, or other tax-related problems, give us a call at 888-515-4TAX. That's 888-515-4829. Or you can go to trp.tax/start. If you're doing your case on your own, you might be interested in checking out our free tax help guide at trp.tax/taxhelp, and we'll have that link below also. Thanks for watching and have a great week.